Hey, it's Jake here. Today what we're going to do is we're going to change the backup battery on the inside of our ADT alarm system box. You'll have to find the box. Generally it's in a closet someplace, and you'll always want to look for the secret hiding spot for the key. No burglar would have a chance at finding this. It's right on the ledge on the very top of the box. Sometimes it's actually in the actual key slot. But anyway, when I tried to open up this lock, the key basically snapped. So what I did is I just found another key that looked very similar to it, and I went ahead and I put it in there, and lo and behold, it opened the lock. I mean, truthfully, why do we even need a lock on there in the first place? By the way, guys, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe. We have a lot of cool videos coming up ahead. Alright, once we got this door open, you'll see the battery in there. I wanted to go ahead and test the battery, so I pulled out my voltmeter, and I just wanted to see what this battery was reading. Now remember, the wires are connected right now, so the battery actually has a charging system. It was reading 13.4 volts. When I pulled the wires off and then retested the battery, it was now showing 4.2 volts. Clearly, this is a 12 volt battery. Clearly this battery went bad. Okay, so let's grab our brand new battery. I'm going to put a link in the description to where you can buy a battery just like this 12 volt battery, about 7 amps. Okay, so put the battery in the place where the other battery is. We're going to go ahead and test it, and the new battery is showing 12.9 volts, exactly where it should be. And we're going to go ahead and put these wires on. Remember, these wires actually provide a bit of a charging system for this battery. So when we went ahead and checked it now, we're now reading 13.4. It's showing that our charging system is working in the alarm system box, and the job is pretty much done. The wires are connected. I'm going to close it up, and I'm going to hide my secret key in a place where nobody will ever find it, either on a ledge, or I might even put it right there back in the slot. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. Comments welcome. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up. Have a good day. Bye.